A shale oil boom will help the U.S. to overtake Saudi Arabia as the world's largest oil producer by 2020, according to the International Energy Agency. The Wall Street Journal reports that this will transform not just energy supplies, but U.S. politics. The surge in U.S. oil production to a projected 11.1 million barrels a day by 2020 will give Obama a chance to make peace with the Republicans by putting aside green energy investments and promoting jobs through oil production. The IEA is joining other forecasters such as OPEC in predicting the sharp rise in U.S. oil production. The increase in U.S. oil production will not quickly change the price at the pumps because oil prices are set by a global market. Additionally, U.S. oil is more costly to extract, and many refineries will need to retool their plants. According to new research that shows the most productive stores are those that sell expensive products to occasional customers. Apple is identified as the top store. Apple stores record $6,050 per square foot of sales at the end of June. CNBC indicates that it was well ahead of other stores in its peer group. Tiffany's came in second with sales of $3,017 per square foot. More than half of Apple's 72,800 employees are in its retail stores. Average revenue per store increased last year by 19% to $51.5 million. The Associated Press reports that German investor confidence has slipped due to expectations that its economy will cool in the next 6 months. Economists have expected an increase. Disappointing economic indicators such as poor industrial orders are plaguing the German economy. Figures due on Thursday are anticipated to show that the German economy grew slightly in the third quarter. European and Asian markets are down on Tuesday. The Dow was unchanged on Monday, hovering at 12,815. Goldman Sachs will make the smallest number of executives into partners this year than it has in a decade. According to the Wall Street Journal, Goldman will announce this week that 70 employees will be promoted to partner. This is one-third smaller than the 110 employees named partner in 2010. The new partners will increase the firm's total to about 450 partners. The strategy is to keep the number of partners small as the company experiences a prolonged slump in trading and investment banking. Partners make a base salary of about $900,000 per year, and partnership profits in the form of bonuses are mostly paid in Goldman stock. Europe's biggest banks are placing more money at central banks, which reflects lingering fears over their financial system despite recent improvements. The Wall Street Journal indicates that a dozen of Europe's largest banks reported holding $1.43 trillion of cash on deposit at various central banks as of September 30th. Since the end of 2010, the banks have boosted the amount they are stockpiling by 84%. This makes their balance sheets safer, but it also means that they are not making loans to businesses in order to boost the European economy. The trend appears to be leveling off, and recently some banks have withdrawn some of their cash reserves. A study at the University of Michigan's Transportation Research Institute indicates that more women have driver's licenses in the U.S. than men. USA Today reports that in 2010, 105.7 million women have licenses compared to 104.3 men. Men under the age of 44 have more licenses than women, but women are able to hang on to their licenses later in life. The number of younger women, especially young men, seeking licenses is dropping. While experts are not certain about the reason for young people seeking fewer licenses, theories range from increased internet usage to economic reasons to a cultural change in which one's car no longer identifies the person. USA Today listed the 10 most expensive zip codes by home price in the U.S. based upon a report supplied by 24/7 Wall Street. The median list prices for the 10 most expensive zip codes in September ranged from $2.8 million to $6.7 million. At least 25% of the households in these communities earn more than $200,000 per year. These luxury areas are not recovering from the real estate dip as quickly as others. Each zip code does not have a smaller number of homes available than in the past. Additionally, international buyers are purchasing homes in these areas. What are the 10 most expensive zip codes? 1. Alpine, New Jersey. 2. Ross, California. 3. New York, New York. 4. Woody Creek, Colorado. 5. Atherton, California. 6. Beverly Hills, California. 7. Rancho Santa Fe, California. 8. Santa Barbara, California. 9. Greenwich, Connecticut. And 10. Bel Air, California. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.